Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how you can make bitter gourd egg burji. So you will need 3 eggs, 1 small onion chopped, 2 green chilies and 3 bitter gourds finely chopped. You have to remove the seeds. So we will take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil heats up nicely, we will add the chopped onions and the green chilies. We will cook the onions till it turns slightly golden brown. So our onion is almost cooked. Now we will add the chopped bitter gourds. Now we will add half teaspoon of haldi and half teaspoon of salt to taste. We will mix everything nicely. Now we will close the lid of the pan and let the bitter gourd cook nicely. And you have to keep it in medium flame. Now we will check if it is cooked nicely. So it has turned tender and we will add the eggs. And we will mix everything nicely and cook it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So it's almost done and we will take it out in a plate and it's ready to serve. So those who don't like to eat bitter gourd, try this way. You'll definitely love it. And if you have enjoyed my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.